Are you looking for an internship abroad? Look at these guys. Fernando from Argentina doing an internship in a hotel in France. Zach from the US doing an internship in business management in the UK. Laura from Canada doing an internship in a resort in Italy. Jean-Louis from France doing an internship in Malta. And Manuel from Spain doing an internship in China. And you may ask, how did they do it? What do they have in common? Hold on, and I will tell you in a minute. First of all, let me remind you quickly what an internship is and why you should be thinking of doing an internship abroad. An internship or work experience is an opportunity offered by an employer to potential employees called interns to work at a company for a certain period of time. Interns are usually undergraduates or students, and most internships last between a month and 3 months, but there are also shorter and longer internships. Internships can be part-time or full-time. An internship abroad is an excellent opportunity to test your chosen career path while experiencing life in a different culture. A strong addition to your resume, showing that you have work experience, that you know how to adapt, and you can even speak other languages. An internship must give you practical skills in exchange for the employer benefiting from your work, so it must be a win-win situation for the employer and for you. But this is just the theory. What happens in practice is that finding an internship abroad is not easy. Although there are plenty of internships worldwide, young people struggle to find them. Deep differences between what companies offer and what candidates provide end up in unsuccessful experiences. Globalization requires excellent command of English, other languages and culture, and even professional experience. Look at this world market data. There are more than 2 million participants in the United States working, studying, or teaching through the J1 visa program. More than 500,000 international students studying in the UK per year, and more than 80,000 working holiday visa makers in Australia per year. Plus thousands of participants in jobs and internships in other European countries, Canada, Latin America, New Zealand, Asia, and Africa. The World Youth Student and Educational Travel Confederation, which is the largest network of youth and student travel operators, estimates at 200 million the number of international trips of youth and students doing internships, jobs, language courses abroad, and participating in study abroad programs, study visits, and volunteer programs. When thinking about an internship abroad, remember, you must define your added value or USP, unique selling point. In other words, what makes you different from your competitors? Do you know who your competitors are and how many are they? Do you need a visa to go to the country where you intend to do your internship? When talking about different countries, we're also talking about different languages. Do you speak the language? You must answer 2 questions to yourself. What kind of internship you're looking for? Why are you looking for an internship abroad? An internship abroad is just one option among many others. You may also consider a study abroad or a language program abroad if you want to learn or improve a language, or work abroad if you want to make money, or volunteer abroad. Also think of what an employer abroad is looking for. How do you match your USP to a position in a company? Before you start contacting any employer, you absolutely need to prepare a quality-oriented, personalized resume and a cover letter. Clean up and adapt your social media profiles. Keep your LinkedIn resume updated. Work on your presentation, how you would introduce yourself when an employer contacts you. Prepare the interview. Think of your follow-up strategy after the interview. Write down what was discussed during the meeting and organize your notes accurately. We talk about all this in detail in our YouTube channel, Jobs and Internships Abroad. There are 7 ways to find an internship abroad. By yourself, through personal relationships, through social networks, through your university, while doing a program abroad, using online resources, through third-party program providers. These are agencies and organizations specialized in finding internships abroad. It is one of the safest and fastest means of finding an internship abroad, but there is a fee for the services. A provider takes all of your information, age, studies, experience, language spoken, preferred countries, duration, etc., and then finds the best match for you. We, Jobs and Internships Abroad, are one of these organizations. We find internships in 24 countries, in all sectors of activity and all year round. We have been doing this for 20 years. We are more than 150 staff worldwide, and we have more than 1,000 participants per year. We can also help you find accommodation, language courses, with your visa, insurance, etc. Remember Fernando, Zach, Laura, Jean-Louis, Manuel at the beginning? Well, they all found the Internships Abroad through Jobs and Internships Abroad. Do you want to try it? The process is super simple. You register in our website and we call you for an initial chat. We send you a program confirmation with next steps, and then we send your application to our local team. We find you a position and we organize a call with your future employer. We prepare your contract. We assist you with accommodation, language courses, etc. And then you go. Well, that's all. Register now.